Let us proceed with the first song.
Pride, Prejudice, and the Perfect Match. The Passions of Dr. Darcy. Emma, Mr. Knightley, and Chili-Slaw dogs. The Red Chrysanthemum. Prom and Prejudice. Perfect Bride for Mr. Darcy. Darcy's Obsession. Darcy presents his bride. Definitely, maybe in love. Impulse and Initiative. Undressing Mr. Darcy. Darcy's Voyage, a tale of uncharted love on the open seas. When they fall in love, Darcy and Elizabeth in Italy. My Dearest Mr. Darcy. Loving Mr. Darcy, Journeys Beyond Pemberley. Bridget Jones's Diary. Young Mr. Darcy in Love, Pride and Prejudice continues. The Confession of Fitzwilliam Darcy. These three remain. Duty and Desire. An assembly such as this. Imperative, A Tale of Pride and Prejudice, Volume 1. A Wife for Mr. Darcy. Darcy's Diary. The Trouble with Mr. Darcy. Pulse and Prejudice. Jane Actually. The Secret Diary of Lizzie Bennet. Longbourn.
Let us proceed with the first song.
Darcy and Elizabeth, Nights and Days at Pemberley. Death comes to Pemberley. Darcy takes a wife. Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. Pride, Prejudice, and Cheese Grits. Jane Austen Takes the South 1. Pirates and Prejudice. The Houseguest, A Pride and Prejudice Vagary. Return to Longbourn. Austenland. Into Hertfordshire.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.